Manhattan, Kansas.
I think the time on target real.
Fire!
Units like the 161 and the second on the 130.
Participating in that at once. It was really a great exercise.
Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into something truly fascinating and a bit different from our usual content. Have you ever wondered how artillery is made in a factory? Well, today, we're going to explore the world of heavy industry and take a closer look at how these powerful weapons are crafted with cutting-edge technology and skilled hands. The first step in making artillery is the design phase. Here, engineers use advanced software to meticulously plan out every detail of the artillery. They need to ensure that the weapon is not only powerful and accurate, but also user-friendly for soldiers in the field. We'll see how these concepts are transformed into 3D models and eventually ready for production. Once the design is finalized, it's time to move on to production. Every component of the artillery, from the barrel to the wheels, is manufactured with extreme precision. We'll take a look at how massive machines work tirelessly to create highly accurate parts. But that's not all. Each of these components must undergo rigorous testing to ensure they meet the highest quality standards. Artillery has a long and storied history, evolving from simple catapults and cannons to the highly advanced systems we see today. In this segment, we'll take a quick journey through time to see how artillery has developed over the centuries, from its origins in ancient warfare to its pivotal role in modern conflicts. Understanding this evolution helps us appreciate the complexity and innovation behind today's manufacturing processes. Artillery remains a critical component of military strategy today. In this segment, we'll explore the role of modern artillery on the battlefield. How is it used in conjunction with other military assets like drones, infantry, and air support? What makes it so essential in both offensive and defensive operations? We'll also discuss some of the technological advancements that have made today's artillery more accurate and powerful than ever before. While making artillery is about creating powerful weapons, it's also about ensuring safety and sustainability. In this segment, we'll take a look at the safety protocols that are strictly followed in the manufacturing process to protect workers and maintain the integrity of the weapons. Additionally, we'll touch on the environmental considerations that modern factories are implementing to reduce their impact on the planet, such as waste reduction, energy efficiency, and responsible sourcing of materials. As technology continues to advance, so does the future of artillery manufacturing. In this final segment, we'll explore some of the emerging trends and innovations in the field. From 3D printing and automation to the integration of artificial intelligence and advanced materials, the future of artillery production is as exciting as it is promising. We'll discuss how these advancements could change the landscape of warfare and what it means for the future of defense technology.